Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today I unboxed my Nothing Phone 2, and right off the bat I noticed a slight defect with it. I just want to show you guys that, see if you guys have any similar defects, and it's right here under the antenna line. It's very hard to see on camera. I do have a picture on my S23 Ultra that I'll show you guys, but you can feel it right here. There's like a slight nick in the frame, like somebody was prying the screen, like in between the screen and the frame. So that is how it arrived, and then I have a picture here. Let me show you guys. So it's kind of hard to see, but you can see it right there. Just a small defect in the frame where it's not bent, but you know, clearly something was right here, like prying out. Like they took the screen back off or something after they put it on and damaged it. So I'm not entirely sure. I did reach out to Nothing to see what they say about that. So I'll let you guys know. I was going to also upload putting on the accessories. I did get the glass screen protector and the case. I'll put the case on, but I'm going to hold off on the screen protector, just waiting to see what they say about the phone. But other than that, that's how mine arrived. I know some people are having a lot of shipping issues as well. Some people who pre-ordered haven't gotten it yet either, and they're kind of just like stuck in New Jersey. So if you guys are in that boat, let me know. I ordered mine on the 18th, it shipped on the 19th, and then it arrived today on the 22nd. So I didn't have any issues, but like I said, some people who pre-ordered still haven't even like fully shipped yet. So I don't know exactly what's going on with that, but it's all over the Discord for the Nothing Phone 2 release. So shipping issues, and it looks like possibly some defective devices out there as well. So check your screen. You can see it right here. There's a white mark right there where the paint's like chipped, and you can feel it if you run your finger along it. It's not like it was dropped or anything like that. There's nothing on the outside or on the top. It's on the inner side of the metal frame between the screen and the frame. So very weird. Not too sure exactly what happened, if they put the screen on and had to take it back off for some reason and it slipped through, or what happened there, but it looks like it is factory damage. Out of the box arrived perfectly fine and everything like that. But that is my Nothing Phone experience so far. The software has been just fine, but a little bit of a hardware defect right out of the box. So kind of disappointed to see that. But I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.